Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 11. In this tutorial we are going to talk about comparison. Well, comparison compare two values and it returns true if the both arguments are equal. So otherwise it will return false. So let's go to the editor. I'll write here two variables a, and I will assign the value of a to 4, and I will write here another variable and set the value of this variable 2. Now I want to compare these two numbers with each other, or these two variables with each other. So to compare these two, we can compare it by using if else statement. So we will discuss about if else statement in the next future lectures. Now we are going to talk about comparison. So I'll just write here if. So what if? I'll say if this is equal to b. Remember guys, we have to put these two values. We are going to put the values inside this parentheses in here, and we will compare it. So I have said here if a is equal to b, then what to do here? Then I will say execute for me this message or this statement. I will write here echo, then message. I will write here yes, it is true. Control S, let's execute it here. Local host / Kabul, then comparison. Now the page is blank. Why? Because it compare it. Now a is not equal to b, so that's why. So I will write here else. So I have said here if a is equal to b, then execute this statement. If a is not equal to b, what to do then? Then I will write here else. Execute this statement echo yes, no, this is false. Let's see now. No, this is false because a is not equal to b. If I change this value to 4, now this statement will print. Let's see. Yes, it is true. Why? Because now a is equal to 4. A is also has 4 value and b is also has 4 value, same to same. Now if I add this 4 inside a quotes, what will come now? Still it is true, because in a is also 4, in b is also 4. Now when I add another equal to, Control S, then it will come false. Why? Because when we add two equal, then it will check only the value. So the value, this value is also 4, this value is also 4. Now once we have add this another equal, so it will check this value also and the type also. Now this is an integer and this is an string, because we have added inside a string, single quotations. So that's why the condition is false. So this statement will what print here. let's see. So this is printed. The next one that we have here, that is not equal to. So I will change this back to 2 and I will write here equal to, and here add a variable. So it means that A is not equal to B. Let's see. Yes, it's true. A is not equal to B because A value is 4 and B value is 2. So that's why it's not equal to. And the next one also same to same. Here we have a this one also. This is also the same because it says, it means A is not equal to B. So write A is not equal to B. If I change this value to 4, then false, this else statement will execute. See? No, this is false. So the next one that we have here, that is equal. So again this is also the same concept. So it check the type also. Now I will write here 4 and I will add it inside a what? Inside a string quotation. So now let's see. Yes, true. Why? See, because this is what 4 and this is a string 4. Now these are not equal to. Why? Because I have explained to you before that this is what, this is a string and this is an integer. So if I remove this one, now let's see what will happen. False. So I hope you understand this one also. The next one that we have here is greater than. A is greater than B, and I will change this value also. I'll add. So I have said if A value is greater than B, then this statement should print, otherwise this statement should print. Now A is greater than B, so it means the condition is true, so this statement will be executed. Let's see. Yes, it's true. Again, if I change this one to less than, means A is less than B, so A is not less than B, so this statement will be executed. Let's see. False. No, this is false. And what we have next here, that is A is equal to B. Let's see. So I have, where is this? So I have said here, sorry, A is greater than equal to B. So let's see which condition will be executed. Yes condition. Why? Because A is greater than B, right? So this statement will be, if I change this to 4, still this statement will be executed here. So if I change this to 3, Now the second statement will be executed. Why? Because we have said this A is equal to greater than and equal to B. So now A is not greater than B. So this statement will be executed. False. So I hope you understand the concept of comparison. Thank you so much, and we will see on the next lecture.